most of us are aware, India's export growth remains subdued on the back of slowing demand in advanced economies and rising geopolitical tensions. In this context, the World Trade Organization cut its forecast for global trade volume growth to 1% from 3.4% in earlier estimates, citing global uncertainties. Let's discuss this. World trade is expected to lose momentum in the second half of 2022 and remain subdued in 2023 as multiple shocks are expected to weigh on the global economy. Now, there are several reasons why the world trade is expected to slow down. Number one is the slowdown in advanced economies. In Europe, high energy prices caused by the Russia-Ukraine conflict is expected to reduce consumer spending. Now, monetary policy tightening in the United States will also have an impact on interest-sensitive spending on industries such as housing, automobiles, and fixed investment. Now, another reason is China, which is also dealing with COVID-19 outbreaks and manufacturing disruptions. This will also put pressure on global trade volumes. Since Indian exports are sensitive to global growth, a slowdown in the global economy could have an impact on our trade as well. So we spoke about PMI manufacturing in our DITM on Tuesday and analyzed how it lost momentum in the month of September. But it still remained above the expansion zone for the 15th straight month. Now, similar to this, services activity as indicated by S&P Global PMI number also lost its momentum. Let's talk about this. The growth in India's services industry slumped to a 6-month low in September, with the S&P Global India Services PMI falling to 54.3 in September from 57.2 in August. Now, key takeaways from the survey are as follows. New orders rose for the 14th month in a row, but at the slowest pace since March. Rate of input cost inflation was also little changed from August. Business confidence rebounded further, with service providers being strongly upbeat towards growth prospects. Now, domestic demand remained the main driver of sales growth, while weak external demand weighed on overall sales. We believe that the Indian service sector has overcome many challenges in recent months. Now, despite some lost momentum, the latest PMI data is showing a strong performance, with services activity expanding for the 14th straight month. In the near term, however, services activity is likely to be weighed down by global headwinds. Now, what does these news mean for you? Despite headwinds, manufacturing and services activity remain resilient. However, we may face some difficulties as a result of global headwinds going forward. This will have an indirect positive impact on you. If the growth in global trade volumes does slow down, India's merchandise exports could face headwinds. This will have an indirect negative impact on you. While I say this is me, Merlin Susanna, signing off. Take care and stay invested.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.